everyone, I'm Tan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare a mango cream easily at home. This mango cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients and especially made to lighten and whiten your skin complexion and to remove all those pesky marks, dark spots, acne scars and uneven skin complexion. This cream also has amazing anti-aging benefits which makes your skin super glowing, hydrated, fair, radiant and spotless within just few days. So before preparing this cream, let's see the amazing skin benefits of mango. Mango has vitamin C which reduces the sun damage and protects your skin against UV rays. Vitamin A in mango stimulates collagen production which reduces fine lines and wrinkles and also lightens dark patches, dark spots and acne scars. Vitamin B6 reduces sebum on the skin which controls oiliness on your skin. Copper reduces fine lines and wrinkles and it also lightens and whitens your skin complexion and fights against damage from free radicals. Potassium in mango keeps cells hydrated to moisturize your skin. Magnesium in mango helps to reduce oily skin and acne. Beta-carotene boosts immunity and protects the skin against bacteria and toxins. Vitamin E is famous for deeply hydrating and moisturizing your skin, and vitamin K in mango helps to reduce dark spots, stretch marks and pigmentation from your skin. So after knowing a lot of skin benefits of mango, let's see how to prepare this homemade mango cream. So to prepare this mango cream, you firstly gonna need a mango and you just need a slice of it. And now with the help of a big spoon, I'm scooping the mango, detaching the flesh from the skin, and now with the help of a knife I'm cutting it into small pieces. And now using the fork I'm mashing the mango. But if you don't want to do all these steps, then you can also put the mango into the blending or a grinding jar and blend everything really nicely to make a smooth paste. So when your mango is a little mashed, at that time add 1 teaspoon rose water in it. And then again mix and mash both the ingredients really nicely to make a smooth and a little runny paste. And once it's nicely mashed, it will look like this. And now we have to strain this mixture with the help of a strainer, or you can even use the cheesecloth to strain it, and we are straining it to get the creamy and the fine mango paste out of it. So after straining it really nicely, your homemade creamy mango paste is ready and it will look like this. And now in that creamy mango paste, you have to add approx 1 pinch of turmeric powder in it. So now after adding the turmeric powder, just give a slight mix to both these ingredients so that they combine with each other really nicely. And once both the ingredients are nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the next ingredient, which is the glycerin, and you just have to add 1 teaspoon glycerin in it. After the glycerin, you have to add half a teaspoon vitamin E oil in it, or you can also add 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules in it. And after adding both these ingredients, now you just have to mix all these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth and a creamy paste. And after mixing all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel, and you just have to add approx 1.5 tablespoon aloe vera gel in it, and then again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a little fluffy paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade skin lightening and whitening and dark spot removal mango cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so runny and nor so thick, and it should be smooth, lump free and so much creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. And you can store this cream in any airtight container at room temperature for up to 10 to 15 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin. and then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day, for at least 15 to 20 days to get fair, glowing, radiant and highly moisturized skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.